हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप सब? So today I'm back with a wonderful topic. We all friends were talking of some day or the other. So do we opt for regular colleges or do we don't opt for them? So these two topics, they have their own nuances. Everything has its own pros and cons. So maybe I do not conclude on a very specific thing कि भाई यही करना चाहिए. But I will list down a few benefits. I will list down a few cons of the same, and I will let you know कि भाई what parameters are important to you, and basis जिसके you can take a decision. Okay. So let me begin directly in the topic. So regular colleges, if you opt for that, आपके पास क्या benefits है? तो I have some 8-9 benefits listed down here. These are firstly discipline. So how do you build in discipline is by discipline I mean time discipline. So time के regarding आपका discipline improve होगा in the sense colleges, say in Calcutta we had morning colleges starting at say 6 a.m. So you would get discipline on this sleep cycle. You will have to improve your sleep cycle and accordingly you will have to work. So आपका discipline in life towards these things, that will surely improve. So that is something very good about these regular colleges, because you have to put in attendance and then you have to go to those colleges. So your whole day schedule gets scheduled and say things are planted very properly. So that ways discipline would be there. Second is knowledge refresh. So this is a very good thing. So what will happen is whatever you have learned, आपने जो भी IPCC में पढ़ रखा है या फिर CPT में पढ़ रखा है, those will all get refreshed if you say take up regular college. Usually by regular college here I am referring to BCom as a course, because mostly CA students and all we do BCom in case we opt for graduation. So that is a good scenario. उसमें you will get a knowledge refresh, आपके basics refresh हो जाएंगे. But otherwise knowledge validation is a bit difficult, what I think, on regular colleges. But refresh is surely there. उसके अलावा there would be extracurriculars. So what happens is everyone loves some co-curricular activities. सबके पास होती है. Say I love to play table tennis. I love to say take parts in debates and all. So those are my say go-to things, and I can improve upon them in colleges. So colleges have various fests and competitions. So you will have inter-college competitions. You can get into their societies. So various societies रहती है, debate society हो गई या फिर your gaming societies and all. You can become a member of them, and then you can say start participating, improve your skills. You can get into your co-curricular activities. So that is a big area of improvement if you get into regular colleges, because you get time there. The colleges help you schedule things, help you take part in competitions, and help you prove yourself in fields other than education also. So that is a very good area to hit upon अगर आप regular colleges opt करते हो. So apart from this, what else does regular colleges help us upon is networking. So networking also it will help you upon the biggest advantage of any MBA colleges. So आज के डेट में लोग MBA करते हैं. MBA has its own knowledge stream, own complete bucket of knowledge. But apart from that, what MBA guys get is networking. So that is what you can build in over in your regular colleges also. So that is a very good thing, because you will need it lifetime. So some references, some networks, some people to talk to. These will always help you today as well as tomorrow. So उसके लिए networking के लिए this is the best thing I can recommend for a CA student at least. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट विल हेल्प यू मल्टीटास्क. सो आज आप कॉलेज भी कर रहे हो, आप आर्टिकलशिप भी कर रहे हो, आप ट्यूशंस भी कर रहे हो, आप कोई को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज है उनको भी मेंटेन कर रहे हो, आप कहीं पार्टिसिपेशंस कर रहे हो. सो दिस विल हेल्प यू मल्टीटास्क a lot many things at a time. And when you know the art of multitasking, when you know the art of managing things, you will become a wonderful say manager and a implementer and a leader going forward. So that is a skill these regular colleges will help you build. Apart from that, रेगुलर कॉलेजेस में क्या होता है ना, सो स्कूल्स में वी हैव एनुअल फंक्शन एंड ऑल. सिमिलरली कॉलेजेस के पास क्या होता है, कॉलेजेस हैव सम इवेंट्स, दे होस्ट इवेंट्स एंड ऑल. एंड व्हाट you guys get is you get a chance to participate in those events, you get a chance to host those events, you get a chance to say completely plan those events. So in case those responsibilities, because ऐसा क्या होता है ना, स्कूल में mostly teachers control these things, but यहाँ पे क्या होगा, these students, we students will control these things. So we'll learn the art of management. So that will also help you. So events and all you will get only in regular colleges. That is something very helpful. Soft skill development may they will help, because I already said ki we have inter college competitions and all, wherein you can participate for co-curricular activities, you can participate in events and all. So that will help you for your soft skill building, which is something that is very much lacked in a normal CA candidate or a CA student. So this is something you can get a grip upon and say improve upon, that you will get from regular colleges. So good चीजें बात हो गई है. या एक चीज मिस हो गई कि भाई फन तो मिलेगा कॉलेज में, यू विल एंजॉय कॉलेज लाइफ, क्योंकि सीए स्टूडेंट्स क्या रहते हैं, हम ट्यूशन भाग रहे हैं, ट्यूशन से फिर हम वहां पे आर्टिकलशिप भाग रहे हैं, आर्टिकलशिप से फिर रात को ट्यूशन भाग रहे हैं, फिर शाम को आगे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. सो लाइफ इज सच मोनोटोनस. किसी को नहीं पसंद है, मेरे को तो नहीं पसंद थी. सो आइडियली यू विल गेट सम फन इन दैट. आपको कॉलेजेस में जाके यू विल मीट फ्रेंड्स, यू विल एंजॉय. यार साइड में बैठ के गपशप करेंगे, थोड़ा अड्डाबाजी करेंगे, हम बंक करेंगे, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे. तो जो मैंने आज तक से पूरी क्लास 12 तक कोई क्लास बंक नहीं करी होगी, कॉलेज में मैंने सिर्फ बंक करा है. So you can, that fun is obviously there, कॉलेज का फन, and that is a life once in a lifetime experience. से अगर हम लोग MBA नहीं कर रहे होंगे, in that case CS के लिए वो एजुकेशन लैडर वहीं एंड हो जाती है कई बार, एंड फिर उसके बाद आपको वो जो कॉलेज लाइफ है ना, वो मजे हमारे से छूट जाते हैं. सो दैट इज समथिंग यू वुड गेट इन रेगुलर कॉलेज, समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आई थिंक. सो गुड थिंग्स हो गई. लेट्स मूव टू द बैड थिंग्स, या फिर टू द डिसएडवांटेजेस, और से niche things which get upon missed when you say go into regular colleges. So sir, exhaustion is a very huge thing, because क्या होगा, once you start colleges ना, कॉलेज 1 साल की नहीं होती है सर, कॉलेज 3 साल के लिए होती है. So when this period becomes 3 years, it hits on a parity with your articleship period, it hits on a parity with your CA final preparation period, with your CA inter preparation period, and that is where exhaustion comes in. So आप सुबह कॉलेज जा रहे हो, उसके बाद ट्यूशन जा रहे हो, फिर आप है ना आर्टिकलशिप के लिए जा रहे हो, फिर आप ट्यूशन जा रहे हो. This will become an exhaustion cycle for any CA final student. Also for a CA inter student, so I have seen many of my friends, क्या होता है, many of my friends had regular compulsory attendance in their regular colleges and all, and hence they could not give their attempts in the right period. So suppose मेरा friend was to appear in May attempt, so he could not attempt that papers, just because he had a pressure on his regular college front, and he could not manage things, and he had to defer his attempts. So that is something that would kick in if you go to a regular college. If you're able to manage things well and good, no issues. But if there is some problem, there would obviously be exhaustion, even if you manage, even if you don't manage. And hence, वो एक compromise आ जाएगा. So that is there. If you are very much focused on CA, this would be something that would hurt you. Apart from that, what I as an individual feel, I do not have any particular facts bringing on from somewhere else. But whatever I have seen from the syllabus, whatever I have learned from there, is you find nothing different. कुछ अलग नहीं है. एटलीस्ट फ्रॉम एन एजुकेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू मेरे को नहीं लगता कुछ अलग है. जो कोर्सेज है जिनके हम एग्जाम्स देते हैं उसमें कुछ अलग नहीं है. हम सारी चीजें हमें अपने सीए कोर्स में मिल जाएगी, या फिर हमें जनरल नॉलेज से ऑटोमेटिकली वो डेवलप हो जाती है. वी डू नॉट स्पेसिफिकली नीड दोज एजुकेशन थिंग्स देयर. कुछ पार्ट्स रहते हैं, जैसे स्टैट्स के कुछ पार्ट्स, क्यूनेस, कर्टोसिस वगैरह, जो हमने शायद से 12 में स्किप कर दिया होगा और समवेयर देयर. But that comes back again in your BCom thing, but that is not so very relevant or important, and I don't think there is a big value addition you would get from regular colleges. Okay, and anyways, अगर आप regular college नहीं भी करते हो, से आप IGNOU से या फिर वैसे open university से करते हो, so in that case also you will have to study for your exams. Just एक दिन 2 दिन जो भी पढ़ोगे, but you will have to study and you will get a hit of that कि भाई ऐसा कुछ था. So you will have that hit. So I don't think that is a big challenge. Apart from that, what I feel is lower focus on articleship. So obviously first point third point related है. Exhaustion अगर आपका रहेगा, focus on articleship reduce होगा, and I'm always in favor of articleship as compared to any other thing, say other trainings, virtual trainings, other education learning, because I feel practical knowledge is the best knowledge and that is what you need. Hence मेरे लिए अगर from a personal point of view, I would have never compromised my articleship for these knowledge refresh things rather than knowledge value adding things. Okay, so that is how I describe. Hence ये एक रहेगा point 1 के related. Apart from that, what I feel is there could be delay in course completion, as I already said, कि you might defer your attempts because you might not be able to prepare things, manage things timely. Monetary spend, though a very trivial point, but is obviously there. उसके अलावा एंड ऑब्वियसली यू कैन री इन्वेस्ट दिस मनी अदरवाइज ना, यू कैन टेक अदर कोर्सेज एंड ऑल, यू कैन री इन्वेस्ट वॉट एवर यू लाइक टू परस्यू और वॉट एवर यू हैव अ कीन इंटरेस्ट टू परस्यू, तो वहां पे पैसा लगाएंगे. वाई डू वी स्पेंड अननेसेसरीली, बट दैट इज ऑब्वियसली अ ट्रिवियल पॉइंट फ्रॉम एन एजुकेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इन days. One major points that I always wanted to hit is outstation audits, uska fun, uski learning, so that you might miss, because what happens is regular colleges always demand attendance and that is where you get hit. So I'll tell you two instances. One is what happens in I'll not name any particular college. So we have regular attendance say 75%, 90%. उस केस में क्या होता है, these guys are not able to go for outstation audits. The others who do not have regular colleges, they go for outstation audit. Might become hectic sometime for them, but it is a great learning opportunity for outstation auditors, because there you are not under guidance of anyone. आप खुद ही एक लीडर बन जाओगे वहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली, बिकॉज यू डू एंड टू एंड थिंग्स, नॉट ओनली जस्ट फ्रॉम से आर्टिकलशिप पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, बट अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो, टू ट्रैवलिंग टू होटल्स, गेस्ट हाउसेज, मैनेजिंग थिंग्स, मैनेजिंग योर क्लोथ्स, मैनेजिंग योर लॉन्ड्रीज, एवरीथिंग. सो यू लर्न दैट, you learn to manage things, you have a zeal to work, because आप वहाँ काम करने ही गए हो ना बॉस, वहाँ आपके कोई दोस्त वोस्त कुछ है नहीं, खाली एक दो खाली कलीग्स है, सो वहाँ आपका काम पे फोकस बहुत अच्छा रहता है, एंड हेंस यू विल वर्क सुपर्ब. Okay, so that fun, that learning, everything could be a miss अगर आपके colleges में there is say compulsory attendance and you are going to miss that. Apart from that, what I think is there is limited time we have and we should invest in learning what we want to. So that is something I already referred to in the monetary point, कि भाई आपको जो सीखना है उसमें हम invest करेंगे, and hence if you do any such regular college, you will not get much time to invest there. Though you could get time, I do not challenge upon that. My friends have done regular colleges with 90% attendance, with say starting CFA along with CA and then doing the course altogether. I don't challenge those guys. But yeah, थोड़ा difficult होगा sir, क्यों इतना stress देना है unnecessarily for a knowledge refresh, I believe. Okay, and lastly, that is अपने एक हिंदी की कहावत है, we say ना इधर का ना उधर का. तो ऐसा मत रह जाना सर कि ना आप इधर के रहो ना उधर के रहो, क्योंकि अगर आपका अल्टीमेट गोल सीए पे फोकस है तो उसके हिसाब से वी शुड टेक अ डिसीजन, नॉट बिकॉज कि सारी जनता कर रही है तो हम ये करेंगे. आई विल टेल यू फैक्ट आउट ऑफ द वे. सो सम से इयर्स अगो, मतलब एक दो साल पहले में भी, आई हैड रिटन अ लिंक्डइन पोस्ट आल्सो ऑन दिस, कि हाउ मच इंपॉर्टेंट इज ग्रेजुएशन, व्हाट इज एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्ड और नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस इज ना, इन दिस सोसाइटल प्रेशर यू वुड स्टार्ट डूइंग ग्रेजुएशन, आप सबके साथ ग्रेजुएशन करने लगोगे. सो आई विल गिव यू 3 particular scenarios. One person who is doing complete regular college, he is not aware of things, he does not want to do it, but yeah, he's doing it out of societal pressure. I have personally seen people. So these guys are doing say graduation, BCom and everything. Okay, why they are doing, they have no interest in that thing, but क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because of some pressures, maybe societal pressures, they feel the peer pressure. These guys are businessmen, they do business, they run their father's business and all, and they have no interest, but just they are doing it. So that is the kind of people I have personally my friends who have left these graduation colleges. Okay, one has left it for doing his own business, for continuing his business. Second has left it for doing CA. Okay, because he had some timing clashes. So क्या होता है, Calcutta में colleges start at morning 6 and all, but in Delhi and all they are afternoon colleges, and we have say conflict issues with your articleship timing, and hence it's not allowed legally at least. So I have these 2 instance friends. फर्स्टली जिसने बिजनेस के लिए कॉलेज छोड़ी थी, सेकेंडली जिसने सीए करने के लिए कॉलेज छोड़ी थी. एंड आई बेट यू दीज गाइज आर नॉट इन अ रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन, दे आर गोइंग वेरी राइट, दे आर डूइंग ब्रिलियंट इन देयर फील्ड्स, एंड आई थिंक देयर डिसीजन वाज नॉट वेरी मच रॉन्ग. हेंस आई डोंट से कि आप करो ही मत, बट करो तो यू हैव द प्रोज एंड द कॉन्स रेडी. सो जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट एंड देन टेक योर डिसीजन. या जस्ट बिफोर एंडिंग द थिंग्स, अगर आप बोलो भाई साहब इसने पूरा ज्ञान दे दिया, कंफ्यूज कर दिया, करे तो क्या करे. सो जस्ट ऑन अ पर्सनल फ्रंट ओपिनियन, अगर मैं करता, इफ आई हैड द कंप्लीट थॉट ऑफ माइंड क्लियर दैट डे, तो मैं शायद ऐसी रेगुलर कॉलेज करता जिसमें अटेंडेंस कंपलसरी नहीं है, या फिर मैं ऐसी कॉलेज करता जहाँ पे मेरा ग्रेजुएशन वो मार्क लग जाता, एंड से मेरे को अटेंडेंस नहीं देनी पड़ती, कोई एफर्ट्स नहीं लगते, मैं खाली एग्जाम्स दे के आ जाता. So that is what clear front I might have done, because I'm very much focused on articleship thing. I always loved the concept of articleship and how people learn there. So my focus would be there, and I would have done that. But you obviously can decide basis this pros and cons. Okay, thank you.